Life doesn't reward thinking things through, it rewards those that can act under uncertainty. The number one thing that I learned from 10 years as a professional bond trader was this: if you wait for certainty, the opportunity will already be gone because somebody else would have taken it. Most men want to make good decisions, so they wait until they're completely sure. But the problem is, real life doesn't offer certainty. Not in relationships, not in business. There's always some risk that needs to be taken. Waiting for certainty feels smart, but it quietly keeps you stuck. If you want to make some progress, you need to move while you're still unsure. That's why there'll still be some opportunity there. I saw this firsthand over and over as a trader. One of the smartest guys that I've ever met, he was actually a terrible trader. He needed things to make sense before he was willing to take action. He wanted to think it through every time. But by the time he was sure and ready to trade, the opportunity was already gone. It was very frustrating for him. Trading doesn't reward thinkers, it rewards those who can act under uncertainty. In trading, certainty has a cost, and it's the price of opportunity. Every move you make involves giving something up, whether it be clarity, comfort, ego. You either pay that price deliberately ahead of time, or you let the market charge you on the back end. And the same thing happens in real life. You know you should speak up, but you're waiting for the perfect moment. You want to move on, but you hold back until it feels just right. Once I internalized that you need to act and take opportunity while there's still the risk of uncertainty, my life got a whole lot easier. Not because it became easy, but the task becomes a lot more clear. I stopped expecting certainty. I stopped resenting discomfort. And I started asking, what's the best move I can make, or what's the move that I have to make with the information that I have right now? Look, you don't need to be reckless, but you also can't be frozen. There's no perfect moment. There's no complete certainty. There's only action and adjustment. That's the plan. So where are you holding back, hoping that risk will disappear? And what trade-off are you avoiding because you're afraid to move or you're still not quite sure? And what progress might be possible if you stopped waiting for the full picture and started taking some action? Drop it in the comments and let me know. I'm really keen to hear what you've got to say. And remember, you can only be in one place at a time. So every day you're making trade-offs. The only question is, are you choosing your own, or are you just accepting what you're being given? Thanks for watching. See you next time.